Welcome to Gyan Niketan. Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. Today I am going to teach you a poem. Its name is The Lake Isle of Innisfree. It is written by W.B. Yeats. Here you can see the picture of W.B. Yeats. Now, before starting the poem, let's discuss something about the poet. William Butler Yeats is the name of the poet, and W.B. Yeats is the short form of William Butler Yeats. He was born in 1865 in Sandymount, Ireland. His interest in poetry came at an early age due to his fascination with Irish legends and the occult. His earliest volume of verse was published in 1889, though he had started writing poetry long before that. He is considered one of the most important figures of 20th century literature. He is responsible for the revival of Irish literature alongside many others. His most notable works include When You Are Old, High Anxiety, and A Dialogue of Self and Soul. He was a versatile poet and wrote his poetry in many forms. He received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1923. He died in 1939 at the age of 73. So now I'll discuss the summary of the poem. The poet does not like the busy life of the city and so wants to go to Innisfree, where he intends to build a small, simple cabin of clay and wattles. It will have a small bean garden and a honey bee hive. He wants to live alone in peace with nature and the slow pace of country life. The speaker reiterates that he is leaving and explains it is because every night he hears the water lapping against the shore of Innisfree. Even though he lives in a more urban place with paved roads deep down inside, he is drawn to the rural sounds of Innisfree. It is all about rustling trees, not bustling buses. In a way, the poem is about an adult's yearning for peace and quietude, which he can get only by being close to nature. Now, can you see this picture? This is the setting of the poem, and here the setting of the poem is on the shore of Lake Isle of Innisfree, a small island in Ireland, and the first two stanzas continue on with this setting, but in the third stanza the setting changes to that in a city with roadways and pavements. Now, what is the central idea of the poem? The poem is about peace and tranquility in life. Life in a simple country cottage can be very different from a life in a busy city, which is very hectic. Being in the company of nature can bring peace to one's mind, and this peace cannot be had in a busy city. It can come only in a countryside. So girls, in the next video, I'll discuss with the meaning